Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, Engineering Drawing Tutorials with King J, and I'm very happy to have you back. Today we are going to be working on assignment 2, and I'm going to show you guys how to easily get what you are seeing on the screen right now, how to manipulate and construct and get the right thing done. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please I beg, help your boy. Help your boy. Your boy is trying. Just hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. The red button, the subscribe button, hit it. Just that. Just subscribe and like the channel. Thank you very much. And I promise before you guys submit this assignment, I'll make sure that I post all the answers to your questions. Okay, for instruction 1, draw a line of length AB with A as center and radius AB. Draw a semicircle. That means A should be, as you have seen in this diagram, A should be the center of the radius of this semicircle you are seeing here.
Okay guys, for number 13, we start with drawing a straight line, a construction line. Remember, it is thin continuous. Then we take 2 points A and B from the instruction given in the question. I want the distance from my A and my B to be 30. You can choose 20, you can choose 40. This is my point A, this is my point B. A, B. Now from the question, A is supposed to be the center of the radius. For A to be the center of the radius, that means there have to be another point which has the same distance with A and B. That's another 30. If you're using 50, it's going to be 50 millimeters. But since I'm using 30, it's going to be 30 millimeters. This is my point B. P. The distance from P to A is 30 millimeters. The distance from A to B is 30 millimeters. Then we draw our semicircle. To draw a semicircle, fix your compass at point A. Increase it to point P. And make a semicircle.
Now instruction 2 says, with a divider, divide the semicircle into the number of sides. Example of number of sides, 7, is shown in the figure 1. Figure 1 is on top of the polygon.
Okay, to divide this semicircle into 7 equal parts, there are 2 methods to go about that. The first method is by trial and error, but I won't advise you to go to that method because it is stressful and it will take your time in case of exam situation. Now the second way and the most reliable way to get it is by using the formula of an arc, which is ARC equals to theta times pi over 180 times the radius. The formula for calculating the length of an arc is what you use. Now our theta here is the angle here. Angle in a straight line is 180. We say 180 times pi. Our pi is 3.142 divided by 180 times the radius. What is our radius? the distance from A to B, or distance from A to P. That's our radius, which is, in this case, it is 30 millimeters, or let's say in cm it is 3 cm. Okay, now with the calculator, 180 goes to 180. Now pi, which is 3.142 times 3, it gives us 9.426. Now this is the distance. This is the distance of this arc. Now to divide this arc into 7 equal parts, you divide this answer by 7. Let's see what we have. Divided by 7. 1.34. Approximate the value. You have 1.3. Okay, with that 1.3, we're going to divide this semicircle into the 7 equal parts. If we divided it with 8, we would have divided the circle into 8 equal parts. So take note of this formula, and we go from point B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, exactly at the point.
Instructions 3 says draw a line joining A with the second division point 2. We're going to draw a line from A to 2.
Alright, let's number our points. This is point 1, this is point 2, point 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, this is 7. Now, from the instruction, you should join a line A to 2. A to 2. Let us outline our A to B as well, because those are the two important lines we need here. Two most important lines we need here.
Instruction 4 says a perpendicular bisector of A2 and AB meets at 0. Means the bisectors we are going to meet at a common point. Call it point of intersection. Now draw a circle with center O and radius AO.
And from the instruction, we bisect line A2 with a perpendicular bisector and line AB with a perpendicular bisector. If you not watch my first video on this engineering drawing, I will advise you go and watch it, because I showed us how to bisect lines and angles. So to do that, to bisect A and B, line AB, fix your compass at either A or B. Increase your compass to pass the center of the line AB. then make an arc up and down, take it to the next point, up and down. Now we have two intersection points. Do same to line 2A. Then we join the line. Your line will pass through the intersection point. Fence line. Fence line. And then okay. Now these two bisectors intersect themselves. We call that point O.
Now instruction 5 says, I'll take this one as my last instruction, but it says with length A2, mark points F, E, D, and C on the circumference starting from 2. Inscribe circle method. That's the method we are going to use. We're going to use method of inscribed circle.
Okay, to go about that, we're going to inscribe a circle, and to inscribe a circle with center of O, we're going to fix a compass at O, extend it to 2. Extend it to 2. Now, if what you're doing is correct, it will pass through points A and B as well. So mine has passed through points A and B. So I'll draw the circle. Exactly.
Alright guys, from what we have now, you can produce a line from the origin A that will pass through 6 and touch the circumference of the circle at C. Another line that will pass through A, touches 5 and then touch the circumference at D. Then another line that will start from A, pass through 4, touch the circumference at E. Then another line that will pass through 3 from A and touch the circumference of the circle at F, so that you have what we have here at the right hand side. With that, you can bold your lines. The only lines you are to bold, the only thing you are to bold, that's to thicken, is the one you have on the right hand side. So from the semicircle PAB, you bold that semicircle, then line 2F, line FE, line ED, line DC, line CB, you bold all of them. Now if you have this, you are good to go. That's the end, or that's the answer to this question number 13. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button. Don't fail to leave your notification button on so that you will be notified when I drop my next video. I'm going to drop the next solution in my next video. Please subscribe so that you will see it.